Hi, Bali.
Suction, an AI camera. Unit is the only robot arm for creative makers. Unit's AI camera detects and recognizes objects in real time. The recognized objects can also be moved with the suction tool. Tools are easy to remove. Use the laser tool on whatever material you want. And that's not all. Unit can even replace its tools by itself. Okay? Let's continue with our work. The auto-leveling for 3D printing. It levels the printing bed easily. Create any 3D object you can imagine with the 3D printer module. You'll turn into an amazing artist with the pen holder module. Enjoy drawing cool calligraphy and artwork. Keep your creativity flowing with the customized tool. There's nothing you can't do with the Creator module. The ways in which you can use the Creator tool is almost limitless. Unit decides on its own. It networks with you. The touch display makes controlling it simple. And our